Welcome to this Windows and Computer channel, and this is a quick update to the latest version of Windows 10, the November 2019 update that is now going to be available in a few weeks from now. We are November the 1st, 2019 today, and of course a lot of people asking questions. Once again, please watch the videos because there's a lot of videos that already answered those questions. November 2019 update, if rumors and if everything's right, is supposed to come out on November the 12th. November the 12th is Tuesday. It's the Patch Tuesday update. Pretty much everybody agrees that that's the day that the November 2019 update will be pushed out to everybody. You can, of course, already get it if you just put your machine in the Insider Previews and go into the Release Preview. You'll get build 18363.449, which is right now the build that is supposed to come out on November 12th. It might actually be incremented a little bit because November 12th will have a Patch Tuesday, so it's not impossible that they'll have the Patch Tuesday updates that will be added to that version, but it's feature complete. And what you got in 18363.449 is the official November 2019 update. So if you want it before everybody else, you can actually check it out by getting that update through the Release Preview. Be very careful to be in the Release Preview. And once that is done, you can actually put that little switch that says, take me out of the flighting when we are at the new version of Windows 10. You'll actually be automatically out of there, and you'll get the cumulative updates that follow because it's the official thing, and you will be, of course, already there. The November 2019 update, I think, is a update that is worth getting for everybody for a very simple reason. It's really a bug fixing update. In general, what's in here is that they've tweaked the May 2019 update. So in reality, every time there was a new feature update, there was really a big major update. But now, really, the November 2019 update is, you can just put it as a service pack like Windows 7 would have. It is the May 2019 update, but with really bug fixes and improved performance. So I think if there's one version to get, that is the version to really stay on. And you'll have the added bonus of, keeping quiet and not having to upgrade to anything for 18 months. So that's also a good thing. You'll be, you won't have to take 20H1 if you don't want it, and so on. It is coming through a cumulative update once again. So this means no, major reinstall and all of that. It's really just a cumulative update. I've seen a few people say, I've put the November 2019 update and I lost all my files. No, this one doesn't do this like the older versions. It's just a cumulative update like a Patch Tuesday update. I don't think you're going to lose your files. The chances are very, very slim. And, you got to be careful also with all the comments that we hear from Windows 10, because there are some comments out there that, there are some haters of Windows 10 that will just post negative comments about Windows 10 just because they don't like it, but they never used it. So that happens, and by the type of comments on the channel, you see who sometimes posts a fake comment. I try to identify them if possible, but anyways, that doesn't mean that problems aren't happening. That's not what I'm saying here, because problems could be happening still, but it's a good update, and I think this is the one that you should be on when it arrives as a cumulative update. The install time, well, I actually tried it on 3 machines of my Acer Nitro. Took about 10 minutes. On my older machines, an old Core 2 Duo machine that I have, it took about half an hour. It was quite long. Probably because it's a big cumulative update that's being, changing things here and there in Windows. But it's not like the older versions where you know have that install phase that takes an enormous amount of time. Then you got the cumulative update, or the update that you can't use your PC for a long time. This one is really like a cumulative update. Then you have a restart and 1 or 2 restarts, and you're at the November 2019 update. So it's coming in 12 days pretty much. And if you have any comments, questions, let us know. If you enjoy our videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.